What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about a project that I actually mentioned before. And the reason why I want to talk about it is because we're getting to that time within the 4 years where we may see coins like this absolutely blow up. And we may see the most popularity that we could possibly see for this sector, which honestly, if you look at the entire sector, it's part of the meme coin sector. But if you look at it at a more concentrated area, more focused area, these are election coins, right? Election coins are going to absolutely make a move when you see the election get closer and closer. And we could see that things like MAGA, you could see that things like Joe Biden coin and others are making moves as well. And this looks like more of one that is established, but definitely has a lot of room to grow above it. So I want to talk about this project, which is SuperTrump, or the coin symbol is Strump. If you guys want to check it out, I will provide all the links down below for Strump down there. So make sure you check out those links, but make sure you hit the like button and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell for more of these videos. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at PerryHGA, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my links for Margex or anything down there as well if you want to sign up for that. But again, all the links for SuperTrump, feel free to check that out down below. But we're going to go through it in this video so you guys get an understanding of kind of what it is, and then you can make that move on whatever you plan on investing into there if you do plan on getting into it. Now, if you're not familiar with what happened with MAGA, right? MAGA was absolutely amazing in the level of growth that we saw, right? It got up to what? It's up to a $500 million market cap. And you wouldn't expect that from a project that we did mention on this channel when it was around, I think, a $10 or $20 million market cap. So you saw a massive return from those levels. So seeing something like SuperTrump that now comes on this channel as well, you could potentially see the same level of growth, especially during the election time where you will see majority of these coins make these large moves, especially ones that are popular, that see a decent amount of volume. We're talking about millions of dollars worth of volume. So again, I want to go into this. Let's go ahead and check this out really quick. Let's look at the website. I think where we need to start is just understanding the different moves that they've made before you decide, we should go into the website and everything like that. So just to give you a little bit of an update, right? Last week, you saw a crazy run from 6 million up to $60 million market cap at those points. You saw things like MAGA that was running, and you could see things like SuperTrump that is also making a huge move. On Sunday the 9th, which is coming up very soon, Donald Trump will have a rally event in Las Vegas, which essentially will be very bullish to kind of push this price up to another level, which honestly would be massive for anybody that is involved in it or involved in anything kind of Donald Trump coin related, right? So for an investment side of it, I know how this seems for a lot of people. Maybe they don't want to be a part of the Trump side or the Biden side or whatever. It's not about that, right? We're in it for investing, right? As investors and being a part of that and seeing the level of growth and seeing the long-term capabilities of that, that's the reason why I'm in these plays. It's not because I care about one side or the other. For me, I'm pro good idea. But what I am also is pro making money on my investment, right? Return on my investment. But also there's new CEXs, right? There's a new CEX, BingX, which is sponsoring a major soccer club in the UK called Chelsea. And this is what made MAGA explode to a $500 million market cap. So make sure you guys look out for that. Now, let's go into the MAGA website, let's go into the SuperTrump coin website. And you can see here that missed MAGA, don't miss SuperTrump. So they're looking that this is, or showing that this is going to be a larger move and a push to the major upside. You guys can look at the chart. You can buy now. You can buy on Uniswap. You can buy on, I believe, MEXC. I want to go ahead and check that out. But you have the address. You have the tokenomics here. 0.03% tax. 0.8 goes to Donald Trump wallet. So if you're interested in that as well, but we all know that we're more interested in just seeing the return on our investment that we decide to get into there. Also, if we look at the liquidity, Liquidity has 70%, 10% to burn, 4% to exchanges, 4% to treasury, 4% to exchange number 2, as well as staking 4% and 4% to marketing. Let's go and check out their Twitter account, which their Twitter account stands at about 10,000 followers. So you're definitely seeing a level of growth there just looking at the Twitter, but also getting into the meat and potatoes. Understand that SuperTrump is up by about 6% on the day. Last 24 hours, as of the time of recording this video, it's up 6%, up to a $37.29 million market cap with $8.4 million worth of volume. You're also seeing 70% of the supply that is out there and 21 or 22% volume to market cap ratio. So this is honestly really big when you look at the level of growth that MAGA has had. We will go through, or sorry, not MAGA. I keep going back to all of these election coins. SuperTrump. It's SuperTrump that we're going through. If you look at the growth that SuperTrump has had, this is more early stages than MAGA Trump, right? Where you're now seeing the $29 million market cap. Again, just like we did mention the other project on this channel, and it grew to a level of a $500, $600 million market cap. I think it even got up to a $700 million market cap at one point. This can honestly do the same thing as you see this get to a way higher level, up to a 100, 200, 300, and get to those stages. So again, it's not a given, it's not 100% a guarantee, but when you do see the opportunity, I mean, it's here, right? It's there. Let's go ahead and look back at the overall position here, and let's show you the growth of SuperTrump. If we look at the growth of it over the last day, again, up 7% now. We're seeing it up to a $37.28 million market cap. If we look at the 7 days, right, we're looking at it's down about 3%. If we look at the last month, it's up 412%. And the last year, it's up 5,736%. And this is still, honestly, just the beginning stages. When you look at it at a price of 0.003657, you're looking at it not only at 30% of a penny, you're looking at 3% of a penny. And right now it's standing at 2 cents. This level of growth here was phenomenal for a lot of people here. But again, it's still just the beginning stages of things. We still haven't seen that level of growth that we're probably going to see, just like MAGA had, right? And the same thing goes for some other places that are out there on the other side, which could be the Biden side. So if you're looking for election coins, if you're looking for an election project, this could be one of those that honestly does take over as a major player in the game. So I just wanted to mention this. I wanted to talk about this project because I feel as though there's so much potential here that you guys can look at and understand. But again, it's not a given, right? It's not a given that these things are going to run. I want you guys to do your own research. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. I don't care if I'm talking about Ethereum. I want you guys to research, because the more that you believe in the play, the more that you're going to hold it, right? The longer you're going to hold it. But if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Check out all of the links for SuperTrump down below. I know I've interchanged the two by saying SuperTrump and MAGA, but honestly, if you missed MAGA, then you would see the growth here in SuperTrump. So feel free to be a part of that as well, because it could have some massive uptick. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.